G'day campers and drivers, I'm Jay of Jay and Bash and you're watching Camp and Drive Australia. As you can see, I've got the Jayco with me this time, so it's a bit more of a comfy camp, and over here, something just a little bit special.
G'day guys, I'm back.
We are back at Leatherdirk, but this time in a different campground, not by the river.
Grip it firmly.
There's a nice bag over there.
Yes, it's a canvas wood bag. You can actually, it'll zip up into an actual bag, but it's better unzipped because then it doesn't matter what length of wood you put in there. You can take it out in the bush, put a couple of long logs in there before you cut them up and bring them back and cut them up at camp. So yeah, it's a handy thing to have.
Yeah, so less dirt in the car or wherever that you put
Well,
it.
it's just easier to carry. You don't have to carry around armloads of wood like that.
Oh, it's true.
That's the
Yeah.
way to transport.
It's a bit hard.
Thought you were strong enough for the kindling, did you? Don't get beaten by a stick. All right, so while we've got some stuff in here called fatwood. The fatwood, they claim, I've never used it before, they claim that you don't have to use kindling, but we're using kindling anyway, so let's just see how this stuff goes.
Well, that's not too bad actually.
Not too bad, let's see how this one goes. Don't touch
How's
that.
your lighter go?
I think. Turns out we've run out of gas, or just about run out of gas on the long one. Oh, there you go, we've got a brief flame, but as soon as I put it down, it goes out. But we always carry spare lighters, and here's one of them. So it's not the pink Roadhouse, it's the pink lighter. So we're going to give this a go. Unfortunately, we've got to get down in there, which is hard to do with a lighter like this, so we're going to try and do it with a bit of lit cardboard.
Yeah, and lucky that we do have those leftover cardboard.
Hopefully this will burn long enough to get that burning. It's actually the split kindling is burning faster than the so-called fatwood at this stage. But might need a fire lighter for the fire lighters.
Yeah.
Let me return. So, not having much luck because of the long lighters out of gas, trying to light that fat wood. So it's always good to have a backup plan, which is another lighter, but we can't get down in there, the cardboard keeps burning out. So now, backup plan for the backup plan is actual fire lighters. And the plan with these is to light them and then drop them in next to the other fire lighters, so that hopefully they'll start to burn. Alright, that is actually lit and gone out again. My God, they don't make fire lighters like they used to. I can't get a fire going with two types of fire lighters and two lighters. This is a tragedy.
Maybe the wind
Yeah, the wind's not helping, but burn you mother. Alright,
It's burning.
there we go.
It is catching it.
It is catching it.
Alright. Now it's burning.